Are you ready to make a fortune using Chat GPT? This revolutionary AI tool can help you to change the way you earn your money forever. Yes, seriously, it is that powerful. Therefore, in this video, we will show you simple ways to use Chat GPT to make money online. And the best part is that you are not required to have any technical skills. So, pretty much anyone can do that. The first easy way you can make money using Chat GPT is by using it to write an ebook. Yes, that's right, ebook. You must not to be a writer to do that with Chat GPT. All you must do is to find a topic, ask the chatbot to make an outline for the book, and then ask it to write chapter by chapter. Just type in something like write chapter 1 of a book about how to lose weight. And once that's done, you can just ask to write chapter 2, and so on. As Chat GPT remembers what was said earlier in the conversation, there won't be any repetition and all will make sense. And if you want, you can copy, paste, and then adjust text based on your taste of expression and composition of sentences. When a book is ready, you can publish it on such platforms like Amazon Kindle, which is the most popular e-reader platform out there, with a huge audience. To create and format an ebook for Kindle is very simple. You must create a new text document using Google Docs, then copy and paste Chat GPT created content, adjust if required, and format to make chapters, titles, and text to look nice. Once it's done, use the File menu to choose Download as, and select EPUB as the file type. This is the file type that Kindle will recognize. Then go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website and sign in with your Amazon profile. Then click on the Add a New Title button to create a new ebook. And here you go, you are selling your ebook to a huge global audience. Once you release your ebook, it can continue to sell and generate income for you indefinitely. So, it is a great passive income source. Next niche where Chat GPT can be used with high effectiveness is social media. For starters, you can use Chatbot to help you with script writing for your YouTube videos or blog posts. And if you want to expand your content and make it available for a wider audience, you can even ask ChatGPT to translate it into different languages. As ChatGPT can make a lot of high-quality, human-like response text quickly, then it may prove to be a game changer in terms how fast you can create new content, get ahead of competition, and eventually earn money. If ChatGPT can help you write ebooks, then it can help you to write any kind of high-quality content. It can be a post, advertisement, translation work, blog, articles, email, cover letter, recommendation, plan, or similar. Whatever your writing work is about, ChatGPT can be a great help to make a job done for you. You can easily become an online consultant using ChatGPT. You can start using ChatGPT to make money as a freelance writer on such platforms as Fiverr, where you can offer your services to clients all over the world. If you want to start offering your services on Fiverr, all you have to do is set up a seller account by clicking the Become a Seller. When you work with clients using ChatGPT, you must be as precise and specific as possible, so that ChatGPT knows exactly how to respond. Therefore, make sure to get as much information from your clients about their requests and needs as you can. ChatGPT can be a revolutionizing tool for those who work in the customer service sector. Even better if you are looking for freelance opportunity, because ChatGPT can help you out even if you are not a native English speaker. You can just copy and paste in customer queries. This tool can give you polite responses in a professional manner to paste back into the chat. These are just a few examples of how you can use this revolutionary technology for your benefit. If you want to see more, be sure to click on this video that appears on the screen. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, the thumbs up would be really appreciated. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for more on the latest AI technologies and trends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.